All right, guys, 2015 Mercedes C-Series 250. What we got done on it for you guys? It's got the stock converter there, then a secondary resonator there. Then we deleted this resonator, the middle one, it's over there. I'll show it to you guys in a second. And deleted the rear muffler right there. And put a 4-inch resonated tip, black. We'll have a link in the description for it if we can find one for you guys. There's the muffler right here. We took off, and the resonator. And like always, guys, please subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. So it keeps us going and keeps us making these videos for you guys. Again, that's how you do a muffler and resonator delete on these. Yeah, we got something out of it. Again, that sound just it's a decimal meter. Again, it's right under 100. Go ahead and back it out. There's a muffler and resonator delete. Let's see when try when it goes under load, see how much louder it gets. That tip fits it perfectly, it's clean. It's really deep, it's clean for Mercedes, not too much. You don't want to overdo it on Mercedes. Again, let you guys hear on the inside. So it's a C250 turbo with resonator and muffler delete. There's the muffler, there's the resonator. Tell us what you guys think. Hope you guys like it. He's got tint all the way around. Makes it look even cleaner. I like it. Mercedes always looks good. Let's see that turbo spool up. What happened? I don't condone it. Beast mode! But I don't condone it. To each their own, man. That was awesome.